Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matt over here. Today in this event, I'm going to unbox a RGB gaming keyboard from Byte. I would say everything in detail about this keyboard. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel Tech Fair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the package which I am unboxing. I ordered this keyboard in Tata ClickU. Packaging is very nice. I don't have any issue on the box packaging. Let's open the box and check the keyboard out. This is not a fully mechanical keyboard. It's a semi-mechanical keyboard. The key pressing sound is not like a mechanical keyboard. The key pressing sound is comparatively lesser than that of other semi-mechanical keyboard. This is the braided USB cable which we have to connect with our laptop or desktop. The cable length is approximately 1.5 meter. The overall look and the build quality of this keyboard is outstanding. Silver colored part of this keyboard is fully made of metal. I think this is made of aluminium. The keycaps are extremely good for typing and playing games. This is the back side of our keyboard. The black colored portion is made of plastic. The plastic material is good enough for this price segment. There is Byte branding on the back side. This is the keyboard stand for height adjustment, and on the bottom of the backside of the keyboard there are two rubber pads for not to slip the keyboard. My right index finger is on the FN button. Holding this button, press 1 to 9 for different backlight effects. Check out the different backlight effects of this keyboard. There are 7 colors RGB backlight, 3 label brightness adjustment, 9 backlight effects, and the key lifespan approximately 10 million keystrokes.